Hazrat Jarir bin Abdullah radiyallahu anhu states, some desert Arabs, clad in woolen clothes, entered the presence of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam observed their pathetic plight and their being needy. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then exhorted people to give charity, but they delayed. So the signs of annoyance were seen on his face. Then an Ansari came with a pouch full of dirhams. Then there came another, and then other persons came in quick succession until the sign of felicity appeared on his face. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam thereupon said, whoever introduced any good practice in Islam which was followed afterwards, the reward of those who would act upon it laterally without distressing, their reward would be recorded for him. Whoever initiated any evil practice in Islam which was followed afterwards, the burden of the sin of those who would follow it laterally without any reduction in the doer's sin would be recorded for him, the initiator. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 6741.